This is a Sony subwoofer speaker. The red makes like that. Now need to change the paper. Now I am going to check the speaker first. It's okay or not. This is 4-inch speaker. 4-inch speaker made in Malaysia. Now I am going to open this speaker. Need to check first. It's okay or not. Where is the wire? The wire is okay. Maybe someone opened before. This is a big speaker. 6 ohms. 6 ohms. 100 watt. This one also need to change the paper. For this case I am going to open this speaker. If you want to repair any kind of speaker, please contact with us, Brother Electronics, Maipur Joshore. Maybe the speaker is okay. Need to change the paper only. Now I am going to play the speaker. Sorry, I cannot play the song because of YouTube copyright issue. The speaker is okay. The speaker is okay. Need to change this paper only. It's working well. The speaker is fully okay, no problem. This one also okay. That man is lucky. We only need to change the paper. Thank you for watching the video. It's a Brother Electronics, Maipur Joshore. If you want to repair any kind of amplifier, speaker, sound box, please contact with us. This speaker is looking so small, but it's so heavy speaker.